Smells wonderful. Almost ready.
Wow.
It does.
Lunch is served, sweetie. Come here.
Okay, viewers, look at this result. Oh my god, this video is absolutely amazing. These Ghibli-style videos are ready in just one click. Nowadays, this type of content is going extremely viral, and today I'll show you how you can create the same kind of videos using a 100% free AI tool. First of all, let me show you a YouTube channel. The channel's name is Ghibli Days. This channel is getting a lot of attention on YouTube, and many creators are making similar videos because this niche has huge potential. If we talk about its estimated earnings, it's making around 1.3K per month, which is really impressive. Now, let's click on the popular section. As you can see, these videos are performing incredibly well. 2.5 million views, 1 million views, and many other videos have also crossed hundreds of thousands of views. So today, I'll teach you how to create the same style of Ghibli videos using a 100% free AI tool. Before we start, carefully watch these videos one by one and observe their animation style, characters, colors, and storytelling. This will help you understand how these videos are created. Okay, viewers, I already have a master prompt prepared that includes image prompts, video prompts, and voiceover prompts for every single scene. You'll find this master prompt in the description of my YouTube video. Simply open the description and copy it. Now carefully look at this master prompt. You can see how detailed and powerful it is. Simply copy the entire master prompt. After that, open ChatGPT, paste the complete master prompt into ChatGPT and click Send. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT will automatically generate Scene 1, Scene 2, Scene 3, along with their image prompts, video prompts, and voiceover scripts. As you can see, everything is generated automatically with just one click. You can review every scene and notice how engaging and professional these prompts are. Now let's move to our image generation tool. For images, I'll use Google Gemini. After opening Gemini, simply copy the first image prompt, paste it into the chat box, and click Generate. Look at this. My first image has started generating. Let's wait for a few seconds. Wow. Here's the final result. This image looks absolutely amazing and matches the exact Ghibli style we wanted. Now I'll copy Scene 2, paste it into Gemini, and click Generate again. After waiting for a few seconds, look at this. The second image is also fantastic. I'll repeat the same process for Scene 3. Paste the prompt, click Generate, wait a few seconds, and here is the third image. The same process applies to Scene 4, Scene 5, and all the remaining scenes. Since I don't want to waste your time, I'll generate all the remaining images off camera and show you the final results. Okay, viewers, look at this. All of my Ghibli-style images are now ready using this 100% free AI tool. You can clearly see how beautiful, cinematic, and professional these images look. If you like any particular result, simply click the download button and save it. Now that all our images are ready, it's time to convert them into animated videos using another 100% free AI tool. So, let's move to the video generation tool. First, I'll download all these images one by one. And after downloading them, I'll show you how to turn them into smooth, cinematic Ghibli-style videos completely for free. Let's get started. Okay, viewers, now it's time to turn our images into videos. For today's tutorial, we're going to use Digen AI. In my opinion, Digen AI is one of the best free AI video generation tools available right now. The best part is that Digen AI gives you 120 free credits every day. All you need to do is sign up and log in once. After that, you'll receive 120 free credits daily, allowing you to create multiple AI videos without spending any money. Now let me show you how it works. First, select the Real Motion 3.1 Turbo model because it's available for free. Next, go to the image section and upload your first image. After that, copy your video prompt, paste it into the prompt box, and click the Generate button. Okay, viewers, look at this. My first image has started converting into a video. Now, be patient for about a minute while Digen AI processes your video. Trust me, the final result is definitely worth the wait. Also, make sure you stay until the end of this video because I'll show you a simple trick to remove the Digen AI watermark so you can use your videos more professionally. After waiting for a few moments, look at this result, viewers. My first AI video is now ready. The animation is smooth, the quality is full HD, and it perfectly matches the Ghibli-style artwork we created earlier. Now, let's generate the second video. I'll upload my second image, paste the second video prompt, and click Generate. This time, Digen AI says it will take around 3 minutes. Let's wait. And there we go! The second video is now ready as well. Let me play it for you. Wow! The animation looks fantastic and the motion is very natural. This result is absolutely amazing. Again, don't skip the ending because I'll show you the easiest way to remove the Digen AI logo. Now let's move on to the third image. I'll upload it, paste the corresponding prompt, and click Generate. As you can see, the generation process has started again. It will take about 1 minute, so I'll skip ahead and show you the final results. Okay, viewers, look at this. All 3 of my AI videos are now ready. They look cinematic, high quality, and perfectly match the Ghibli-style animation we wanted. As I promised earlier, let's remove the Digen AI watermark. First, download all of your generated videos. Once they're saved, open CapCut. Import all the videos into a new project and arrange them in the correct sequence. Now simply select each video and slightly increase the scale value. Look at this. The Digen AI logo has disappeared completely. This is a quick and easy trick that makes your videos look much cleaner and more professional.
That smells wonderful. Almost ready.
Wow.
It does. Lunch is served, sweetie. Come here. The world slows down here, the ocean and the market combining to nourish both body and soul. Every dish is made with love.
That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming AI tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with another amazing AI tool. Until then, take care and goodbye.